this is the fourth of our videos. This is the Parikrama Marg Narmada Kaveri Sangam. I don't know where Kaveri is come here, but they have put the name as Narmada Kaveri Sangam. As you can see, the steps are being laid well. This is quite far away. So the motor boat is giving a constant shruti. But. नहीं उतरने के लिए This is the Narmada Kaveri Sangam point. I think there should be a greater depth over here. That is why it has been marked by I don't know what these guys are going to do. Yeah, look at these guys doing it. Okay. Put on the umbrella. Put on the umbrella. Now I could understand why these guys are put into this place here. Yeah, good. These guys are maneuvering the boat along the rocks. Oh, this is called on the rocks. No, along the rocks. This is not on the rocks, this is along the rocks. As you can see. Oh, yeah. It's quite rocky here. And yes. So the Dana Dharma. So this is the Dan which is being given to the fish and all that. By Jayalakshmi Hariharan, my sister, elder sister. This is the younger sister at it. This is how it is done. Wow. This is where the beauty. This is the turning point.
See the beads. See the green beads.
Yeah. It is visible.
The water.
The depth is not much, but the flow is quite fast here. We can see
You can see the bottom.
We can see the rocks here. Yeah, the bottom. It's quite a clear water here. Yeah. So this is where
there is no.
Oh, now these guys are doing some good work. I thought they have come on a joyride, and now I could see. Wow. Chotu, Motu, all the fellows are really active here.
ये नर्मदा कावेरी संगम.
Oh, this point. Okay. ये नर्मदा, ये कावेरी का है वो. हमारा कावेरी तो बेंगलुरु में है भाई. मैसूर उस तरफ का.
नाम है नर्मदा कावेरी. ये संगम है. यहाँ लोग नहाने आते हैं.
That is Kaveri. Oh, Kavera. Kavera was the king of this place here. Correct. So this might be true also. Kavera was the foster father of Lopamudra. So Kavera was the foster father of Lopamudra. So they have mentioned, or they have even named this place as Narmada Kaveri Sangha. Mukteshwar Mandir is ahead of us here. Parikrama Marg is, yes, correct. Parikrama Marg is here. See,
How these children are directed.
so these children are actually, like, this is called Skill India. These guys have got the skills to take us safe. Otherwise, we city bred are going to have a real nightmare.